Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about slope MA with tester indicator. The kind of indicator is oscillator and it will predict the market before the change of the trend. This indicator has some parameters that we will check. Parameters of this indicator are divided into two parts. The first for calculations and the second for tester dashboard, as you can see here. The first parameter is EMA period, which calculates the period of the EMA. Here you can see the line of EMA. We use it for the signal. The second parameter is ATR period. It is used in the calculations to give signals, and the default value is 14. Next two parameters are the maximum and minimum of these lines and where it will generate the signal. For example, if I change it to 0.2 and minus 0.2, you will see more signals because the line is changed, so we will see more signals. The other four parameters are about the tester and the dashboard. See here. If you want to see this dashboard here, set this parameter to true. And for the start time of the tester, you can set the date you want here. The default is the beginning of 2025. And also, you will set your TP and SL points here. For example, we have 200 points or 20 pips for take profit and 200 points or 20 pips for stop loss. So let's see how this indicator works. As you can see, the maximum and the minimum value of this indicator is 1 and minus 1. And the default value for the signal lines, these horizontal lines here, let me change it to the default value, 0.3 minus 0.3. When the moving average and the ATR, it has some calculation, it has a formula. When it moves up and breaks this line for the first time, it will send a buy signal here, as you can see. Let me minimize it. Okay. You can see here, we have a buy signal, again a buy signal here, was false. Another one here. So we'll generate signals based on ATR and EMA. Here you can see when the market is in the downtrend, we will receive sell signals. In this period, means there's some objects here that you can see it more clearly. When the downtrend starts, you'll receive sell signals here and buy signals in the uptrends. It's a very good indicator with a very good win rate. Please check it, download it, and use it on your charts and see how perfectly it works. Thank you for watching this video.